Hey guys, I'm very excited to tell you guys that I'm moving, and I actually used the Furnie app to plan my furniture purchasing decisions. So here I'll just demonstrate one more feature. Once you have placed some furniture in the room, after of course starting the spatial mapping, you can actually save the arrangement and then you can load it back later. So here, let me just demonstrate. Delete all furniture. Delete all furniture.
Deleted all furniture.
And I can load it back by saying the voice command, load arrangement.
Loaded furniture arrangement from file.
So there you go. So I was actually able to load them back. And of course, you can do this as many times as you wish with the live spatial mapping. But once you save the room, let's say I save room 1.
Saved room 1 to file. Place furniture, and then you can say save arrangement.
So in this case, if you save the whole room spatial mapping to file, then you would also want to save the arrangement again. But before I do that, let me just turn this table a little bit so that you know it's actually different. Okay, save arrangement. Save arrangement.
Saved furniture arrangement to file.
Okay, good. So let's try switch source. Switch source.
Say load room 1 or load room 2 to load from file.
Load room 1.
Loaded room 1 from file.
Okay, so I've loaded a saved spatial mesh. It's pasted over this. I hope you guys can see the room. But here, let me just load the furniture first. Load arrangement. Load arrangement.
Loaded furniture arrangement from file.
So as you can see, I previously rotated this coffee table, and again, it's saved in this orientation now. And I can actually open minimap. Open minimap.
Opened minimap. It's placed near the minimap cube.
So there you go. I can actually see the entire floor like this. Okay, close minimap.
Closed minimap.
So in this save room, I'm also going to try a walk upstairs. So as you notice, some of the placement might be a little off, but that's okay. You can always adjust them. And over here, you can move this chair back there. Over here, just put it back down the ground. There you go. Okay. Okay, thank you everyone. Farewell.